Hello, Paul here. I want to give you a really quick video today on how to add hashtags to your YouTube videos. So if you go to popular videos, if you go to videos people are watching, you may see up here, a hashtag on whatever the video is about, right? So what it does is when you click it, it does a search of that hashtag, and then you can link to all your other videos. So this one for me, I do a lot of videos on this thing called Zoho. And when you click the hashtag, it goes to that. And again, so Z1 trial, it's going to click to my videos, right?
I am going to give...
Oh, sorry. So you can either have the hashtags here or in the title. And it's really easy to do. All you've got to do is add the hashtags anywhere in your description and they will show up above the title, right? So I've just done a video. Well, let me go to my channel. Let me turn the sound off. So I've just done a video, I didn't add anything, so let's just show you how it means. So it's this YouTube copyright information video, right? So what I'm going to do is edit the video, and what you can do, if you prefer it in the title, you can put a hashtag in the title, or you can add it anywhere in your video, right? So YouTube hashtag YouTube tips, a tip, save, and then go to your channel. And sorry, you can only do one or the other, you can't do both. So if it's already got a hashtag in the title, it will go to it, right? Now if you remove the one from the title, it's gonna show here. Get rid of that one, and then the other ones will show. So it's your choice. If you can either put them in the title, you can only use 3, or you can put them in the description, right? So let's go back. Did I save that? So now it's gone from the title and it's added to the description, right? So what I want you to show you is to bulk add hashtags, right? So what you can do with a thing called TubeBuddy is go up, if you've installed TubeBuddy, you can go and click my videos, and what you can do is edit things in bulk. So what I can do is, what should I do? So say that I wanted to replace the hashtag, well, I didn't think of an example really. So let's go here, Trello, right? I haven't done Trello, so this one's probably not got any hashtags, right? So Trello. So what I want to put on my Trello videos is hashtag Trello and PN Trello for my training, right? So what I'm going to do is go here, bulk meta updates, title and descriptions, right? So what I want to do is add text at the end of the description. So I'm going to put this at the bottom of the description, so it's going to show up. And I'm going to say add Trello, PN Trello, hashtag Trello, Trello training. Let's do Trello training, right? So I can only add 3, and it's going to add it at the end of the description, right? So when I go now, I can search. I want to do this on all of my videos. Well, I don't want to. I only want to do it on this one. Search for a phrase, anything that says Trello, right? So I'm going to find in all my videos anything that says Trello, and it's going to go through my 600 or 700 videos. Trello, 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 Trello. So these are all videos I've done on Trello. So I can select all and continue. Are you sure you want to add? Start. So it's going to do all these videos quickly. It's going to add that information to those videos. So I can click on any of these videos. So it's this one here is the one that I've got open, but I'm just going to refresh it here. And you're going to see that now I've got my little hashtags, right? So if someone goes Trello, it's going to search Trello videos. If they go Trello training, again, it's going to search. Not always going to be me, but you would think PN Trello is going to show mine. It didn't show them all, did it? But so let's just go and check another one. Oh, let's close some here. that one. Let's open it up. Well, that used to just open the video itself. So here it is. So it is there, PN Trello. So it's there. Maybe it's just going to take some time for that new hashtag to populate on them new videos because I've only just added it, right? But if I came back tomorrow and clicked PN Trello, it would show all of my videos that are tagged with it. So I just wanted to show you quickly how to get that hashtag above the title. Again, if you want it in the title, you just add it in the title. And then how to bulk edit them all in mass using TubeBuddy. So if you go to pnuk.co/TubeBuddy, that's my partner link for TubeBuddy, you can go in and edit, bulk edit. I can go and, I can replace, if I don't want, find and replace text. If I don't want it to say PN Trello, I want it to say hashtag Trello PN. You might have something on that you want to change. I can go. You can this time search in old videos because it's going to look for that hashtag. It's going to take a bit longer with more videos, but it's going to search for that hashtag within the description, right? Obviously, I could have filtered it to make it easier for it, but let me just. So basically, I'm changing this so it doesn't say PN Trello, it says Trello PN. Here again is all those videos. All the other ones aren't showing, so I'm going to click all, and I'm going to click continue. Yes, Trello PN. So I'm going to change 10 videos, and when I go here, as I say, it used to open up in the video itself, but so now it says Trello PN, not PN Trello, right? So it's easy to edit them, it's easy to change them, it's easy to do it on bulk with TubeBuddy. So as I say, check out TubeBuddy, pnuk.co/TubeBuddy is my partner link, and there's a lot of things TubeBuddy can do. You'll see the stats on my site up here, you'll see some things, some messages and quick links, and it helps you add tags and does other things and make sure you get your videos created properly, gives you checklists. I use it every month. I use it on every video. It really helps boost my channel. But hopefully that helps you work out how to get those hashtags. Any questions, leave a comment. I'm always here to help. And I'll try my best to make sure you're sorted. Thanks for watching.